to Let's Cook That. For today's video, we are going to have another meal prep. Tell them about it.
So we are going to be using zucchini, so we're making zoodles, and then we're going to top it off with ground turkey. So that's going to be our protein, and trust me, I love it. It's very delicious.
It's very, very good, and it's very healthy compared to a regular spaghetti with meatballs or meat or regular meat. So we'll get started with the ingredients.
Our ingredients for today is going to be 1 pound of ground turkey. We have chopped garlic, 1 large bell pepper chopped up, half an onion, mushrooms, and then we did use 5 zucchini. So it's going to look like this. I'm going to show you guys how to do it in a little bit. And then we are going to be using our spaghetti pasta sauce. So it's very easy to do your zucchini noodles. You're just going to get your zucchini. You're going to take off the bottom and the top part of it. And then we're going to use this spiralizer. It does have 2 options. You could do it thin or thick. And I usually do it the thick one since it is for spaghetti. So we're just going to go ahead and put your zucchini and just spin it around. And it will start making your noodles. So just continue turning it and it will give you your noodles. So you could just keep releasing it so they won't get too long, and then just continue spinning it.
For the meat, we're going to go ahead and add a little bit of water. And then we're going to go ahead and add our turkey. We're going to go ahead and let it cook for a couple of minutes until it starts getting a little brown. And then I'm going to add the vegetables. So for right now, we're going to go ahead and add a little bit of garlic powder just for a little bit of taste. Some salt. Not too much because the spaghetti sauce, it has a good flavor. And a little bit of black pepper. So we're going to go ahead and just let it get browned a little bit, and then we'll add the veggies. So once the turkey got a different color, it's a little bit more, changed color, a little bit more brown. We're going to go ahead and add our onions and our bell peppers. We're going to leave the mushrooms for last because, you don't really need to cook them that much. But okay. So we're going to go ahead and stir everything together for our bell peppers to get a little bit soft for like 2 minutes, and then I'll add the mushrooms. Now it's time to add our mushrooms after the 2 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and stir everything in as well. Give it another 2 to 3 minutes, and then we'll add our pasta sauce. So it's time to add our sauce, and I just got this one at Sprouts. That's a very good flavor, and it has less sugar than the other ones. On the calories, it's almost the same, but it does have less sugar than any other kind of spaghetti sauce. So we're going to go ahead and just stir it all in together. I'm going to put it to low and let it simmer for a couple minutes, and then we'll be done, and then we'll do our noodles. So this already came to a boil. It smells very good with the bell peppers and the onions and the sauce in here. So this is ready. We're going to set it aside, and then we will do the noodles.
I already have my olive oil preheated, so we're going to go ahead and add our garlic. So I'll go ahead and put that in there. And then we're just going to go ahead and saute our garlic. Make sure it does not burn. And we're going to go ahead and add our noodles. It looks like a lot, but it becomes a little bit, guys, so it's okay. And then we're going to go ahead and add black pepper. You could just add it for your taste, so if you want more, you could add more. And then just a little bit of salt. And just keep on mixing it. So make sure you have it in medium heat. And you could just cook it for 3 to 5 minutes. It all depends if you like your noodles to be like al dente or a little bit soft. I prefer more soft, so I usually cook it for like 5 minutes. And don't forget, guys, if you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and definitely subscribe. If you're interested in more videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. Now that this is done, we're gonna go ahead and put it in our meal prep containers. It does leave a little bit of juice. That's why I did not add water to it, because you'll get all this excess liquid. We're gonna try to not put this in our meal prep containers. So now that it's ready, we're gonna go ahead and serve it. So we'll go ahead and put our Zoodles in our meal prep. So it actually looks like
very good.
It's actually spaghetti noodles, but healthy. So it's up to you how much you want to do. This seems like a good amount for us. That's probably the amount of one zucchini. So one zucchini has like 55 calories. So it's not that bad. And then the turkey is super healthy too. So it doesn't have a lot of calories. So that's how it will end up. And then you could always put Parmesan cheese on top of it to make it look pretty. And actually it tastes good too.
Tastes good, yeah.
Yeah. So that's how it looks, and then we'll just continue making the rest of them.
Yeah, and once you have them all done, just let them cool down, cover them up, put them in your fridge, and then when you're ready to eat, take them to work, to school, wherever you have to go. Put them in the microwave like for 2 minutes.
Yeah.
2 to 3 minutes, but put 2 minutes first, and then you're ready to go. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and like, comment, share, subscribe, and see you next time with more videos on Let's Cook That.